What's up, guys? It's Joe from Just a Few Reviews. Today we got the new, let's see, Smith & Wesson Msrp 5.7. These just were released at SHOT Show. This one has a threaded barrel. It's got little ports on top. It's got your optic ready. Take out the mag. These come with 2 mags. If you can see, they're 22 rounds. So a little 2 more rounds than your Ruger and your FN or your PSA Rock. The ergonomics on it is pretty nice. I don't think it's as nice as the Ruger or the PSA, but definitely better than the FN, in my opinion. It's got a little bit of rough texture. It's got a nice flat face trigger. Msrp on this gun's right around $6.99 ish. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Make sure you like and subscribe. Later, guys.